Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin daily chart banged it. We said this exact idea was very possible. Will you get this run up to resistance? Will you get rejected? A rising wedge, 68% chance of a break to the downside. And then all the sellers were stacked right here, and you hit it and you got rejected, and now you're down here and you're potentially bearishly retesting this level. You could easily come back down here to 15,700. You lose this level, you're looking for a lower trend line. You're looking for a good long entry. The best long entry is potentially going to come here on a falling wedge. Doesn't mean just buy blindly here, right? You got to get the bounce idea here. So that'll be this would be a more bullish idea with a double bottom. You're watching this level right here, the lower trend line, where the price action's been bouncing. Look back here, bouncing. Okay, so chances are, hey, it bounces again. 68% chance this breaks to the upside, but again, it could break higher all the way down. It could continue all the way down here and then break out. Okay, all the way down to 13,000, something like that, right? Drag City. The market doesn't look amazing, right? You saw the Fed pivot. There's 3 steps in a Fed pivot. Let me pull those up real quick. All right, so again, the Fed came out with a 50 basis point rate hike. We got a move to the upside. We got the move to the upside that they were looking for. It wasn't a macro reversal. We didn't expect a macro reversal on a small, I mean, you got rates that are out of control. Inflation is still out of control. All you did is hit market expectations, and then it was market expectations. They expected it. Like, you didn't get this massive move higher based on what the market already thought was going to happen. 3 stages of the Fed pivot. The first is going to be a reduction in the size of the rate hikes. Check it off. We went from 75 basis points down to 50. The second, they're going to pause rate hikes, and they're going to really let the pain set in. This is designed to be painful on the economy. The third is going to be rate cuts, or they start to cut rates again, and it becomes blatantly obvious that the Fed is killing the economy. This is massive market manipulation. If you don't understand how this works, I'm telling you guys, join my group. It will change your life forever, period. I posted an idea where if the bulls got trapped, and this is always going forward, if bears get trapped or if bulls got trapped, you get a massive move to the upside or downside, right? There's always an ongoing idea where on any bull trap or bear trap, you're going to get a massive move the other direction because the losers get punished. Okay, so if you see here, you had a bull trap. And again, I told you the last thing you want to see is the bulls get trapped here, right? This all happened because retail is buying the news, while as soon as CPI came out and you got this pump, the elite, which are left in the market right now, bought before the actual announcement of the rate hike being lower. Obviously, you're going to get a rate hike within market expectations, and so they bought and front run the entire thing, and then retail bought in up here and got trapped, and then they got punished. This is Bitcoin CME futures chart. We said Bitcoin is forming this ascending triangle. Breakout to the upside, quite possible. 64% chance. You're building this rising channel, and this thing totally gets wrecked to the downside. Now, you are at, and this is closed right now, Bitcoin CME futures, you are actually under this support level. This mid-range, you lose this mid-range right here, you're coming down here to test 15,480, 14,920. Now, this is oversold, so you're going to get some type of bounce here. Okay, so if it doesn't put in a higher high, higher than this high, you put in a higher low, and there's ideas for more downside. Okay, it's that simple. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, I put a BNB chart out, a short call, just with all the FUD. He's up 224% on this. I gave it to you guys as well. BNB did not look good. This person, he went on vacation to Istanbul. He made 3 times the amount that he spent on the vacation while he was trading on the vacation. This person, he made $10,000 in Miami on vacation. Trading, no other business like it. You can do it from anywhere. When you're tired of working the 9-to-5 grind, empower yourself with this vision. It's not hard. I've got 3,100 people in the group. I got kids up 2,100%. Like, you guys do not make, if you do not learn this, this market will take your money, period. Period. I had so many people rejoining the group, coming back to where the money is made. We're going to continue the discount. So right now it's 60% off if you pay in crypto, and an additional $100 off to make sure you're in the best setups, period. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. If you have any questions about joining, send me an email, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Bang. If you do not learn how to sell, take profits, we've been nailing banger after banger after banger. We kill it. Ethereum, we killed this to the downside based on this idea where the measured move in play. Look, I posted this Ethereum chart, break to the downside, 68% chance, and it did. Hey, hit the measured move. Now again, could bounce and then roll over, test range lows. Not amazing, but we're making money both ways. You've got to trade short in this market. Now let's get serious. If Ethereum, and a lot of people are going to say, there's no way Ethereum is going to hit $700. But if Ethereum does hit $700, you're going to see massive liquidations. And you want to talk about max pain, $700 Ethereum, max pain, everybody's getting liquidated. All these exchanges are falling apart. It's possible. Now, this is the total too. We talked about altcoins. They're just not moving well. And we've been shorting the heck out of them, and we've been making a ton of money. Now, you do not want to lose this level back here. Okay, you lose this level, and altcoins get wrecked. And Bitcoin dominance is forming a bull flag. And if Bitcoin dominance shoots higher, then you're going to see altcoins continue to bleed. I mean, you could see 20 to 30% over time. At some point, you're going to get a relief rally, and this thing's going to break lower, and altcoins are going to move to the upside, right? But if this bull flag breaks higher and Bitcoin dominance keeps pumping, all the money is coming out of the altcoins because people aren't interested in the altcoins. You could say that Bitcoin is in a rising wedge with the bull flag. You could see another impulse move higher, which would not be good for the altcoins. There's some resistance right here. As soon as this thing breaks down, you get some altcoin relief rally. Okay, get another impulsive move to the upside, and alts continue to get hard. ES1. I said this exactly. The last thing you want to see here is a bull trap right here. And it happened. And then I said bullish retest is the key right here. It didn't happen. Where's the bullish retest? You got a bearish retest. Rejected. Sell signal. This is your bull trap. This is your bulls getting punished. This is the failed bullish retest. You've got to counter trade this. If you can't flip in a second, plan A, plan B, listen, you got to call a different plan. I told you, I drew this exact triangle idea in the last video. And I said, this thing breaks lower. You've got a lot of downside potential right here. You understand that? The DXY is at key support level. You lose this level and the dollar is weaker. However, you put in a bounce here, you're going to see stocks get wrecked. You're going to see crypto get wrecked, and that's just what it is. I posted BNB on the 14th, and I said, BNB watching the short opportunity, and it did. It broke BNB. There's tons of FUD, tons of nonsense, shenanigans being pulled. But again, you got 45%. Imagine what your portfolio looks like when you're hitting big green numbers while everybody else is losing. This is player versus player. This is you versus somebody else. This is not a team sport. However, on this channel, obviously, I'm telling you what the most likely outcomes are going to be, right? This is not a team sport. And so you have to understand, take everybody else's money. If you do not have the skill set and you're not better than me, you're not taking my money. I promise you that. I want you to take as much money from other people as possible, because that's how you become successful. Right? I don't win every trade. And when I do, other people took my money. Advantage of the trading group. I've got full-time staff in there answering questions, posting the best setups. It's amazing what we've accomplished as an ecosystem. 3,000 people in the group. You're in this market to make money. What are you doing sitting on your hands, not in the group? Period. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.